Hi, welcome to Core 5 Acupressure. It's been a while since we shared a bit of time here on the video series, but wanted to revisit a really powerful point here. So this is the cheekbone going in here and not applying a ton of pressure, but this is assisting us to stimulate the large intestine area and anything we need to digest. It assists us to escape from mental bondage. So releasing through the face, remembering that the exhale in Jin Shin Jyutsu, Eastern acupressure, assists with the rebuilding and the letting go. And as we exhale, drop the shoulders down the front. Anytime we hold an energy safety lock or an energy center in Jin Shin Jyutsu, we're not needing to apply a ton of pressure. It's really about making that electrical connection. So I'm using my index, middle, and ring fingers, and I'm going into that area just below the cheekbone, either side of the nose. Finding a comfortable seated position or laying down, exhaling down the front of the body, extending the spine, dropping the shoulders, rising through the crown, exhale. Encouraging that present mind awareness. Birds. Wind. The weight of your body. And as you allow that electrical connection to be stimulated under your fingertips, using the positive and negative charges found in your hands to act like a jumper cable, stimulating movement through the face and down, assisting the body and the mind to digest, release, exhale. Following thought only long enough to bring our awareness back to the breath, allowing the thought to drain through the face, down on the exhale, through the feet, and out. Our mind is not always working in our best interest. It's our job to exhale, to retrain, reframe, restore, revitalize, rejuvenate, remember, exhale. And we find our way down and through, and back to the breath. Dropping the shoulders, extending through the spine. And between the right and the left, you may feel a stirring of energy similar to a buzzing electrical feeling. And over time, there's a rounding out and a fullness that we experience as the energy begins to revitalize and restore through that large intestine function energy pathway, through the face and down and out. Exhale, clearing the mind. Simply making room, expanding possibility, and assisting us to be that much more effective for growth and change within our lives and as we move forward in the world. It's important that our bodies, as relaxed as possible in this position, can be lying down or sitting, standing, and allowing the consciousness to be on that exhale breath, dropping the shoulders, and settling in and allowing that vibration to raise the corners of your mouth so you can feel the smile that's growing within. Authentically in your own time. 6 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you have time for today. Letting go, clearing the mind, exhaling, assisting with the digestion of thought and experience.